Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Ethernet connected but no internet for easy fixes that work. First method is network and internet troubleshooting. Second method is change DNS server addresses. Third method is network reset. Fourth method is update network adapter. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.